trying to build a masterpiece with just a hammer is impossible. The same goes for writing. Using only simple, repetitive words limits your ideas. Expanding your vocabulary isn't about using big words to sound smart. It's about choosing the exact word that perfectly expresses your meaning and tone. First, think about the vibe of a word. Curious and nosy both mean wanting to know more, but curious feels positive and intelligent, while nosy feels intrusive and rude. That's connotation, the emotional weight a word carries. Describing a hero as stubborn makes them sound annoying, but call them tenacious, and they become brave and persistent. The right word changes the entire picture. So what about unfamiliar words? Many English words have Greek or Latin roots, which act like a secret code. The Latin root spec means to look. Suddenly, spectacles, inspect, and spectator all click into place. Or take bio, meaning life, and graph, meaning write. Add auto for self, and autobiography decodes itself, the story of a life written by the self. You're not just learning words, you're learning their architecture. This allows you to upgrade your language. Instead of good, a science report might use exemplary. For a story, instead of said, you could use whispered or bellowed. Context is key. Academic writing needs logical, formal words. Creative writing needs sensory words that paint a picture. So ditch very tired for exhausted. Choose the more powerful tool for the job. How do you grow this toolkit? Don't memorize a dictionary. Read widely. When you find a word you love, write it down. Keep a power word journal. Try using a new word 3 times in one day. Become a word collector. With the right words, you're not just writing anymore. You're building something magnificent.